Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to bulk payments contractor in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to the All Apps here, and then you can go to Team section, and you will find contractors. Click on it. And then as you can see in this page, I only have one contractor. So let's say I have, dozen contractors and I want to bulk bulk pay contractors. So you can just click this button, bulk pay contractors. And then now you have to fill the requirement here. So you can just choose the checking or saving, and then you can choose the date, and then you can check all of the the contractor that you want to pay, and you can type the account, and then you can add the description if you want, and you can choose the customer, and then you can choose the amount. So let's say like this, and then you can just click preview, and then you can click next and continue, and it will be paid to your contractor. So I'm using the demo account here, so I cannot find my bank account. So if you use your real account, you will find your bank account and you can continue. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.